All right, everybody, welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal here with you, and we have special guest back with us about a year. Is Dylan. He was here with us about a year ago in the DC office. Welcome back, Dylan. Good to see you, man.
Thank you. You too.
Yeah. So the when you were here the last time we saw you, we did the crown. We transplanted the crown. Tell us first of all how the year went. How the good and the bad.
All right. I guess start off early on with the bad. Wasn't too bad. Actually, my biggest gripe was the sleeping upright for like 10, 14 days or something.
You did that long?
Wasn't
Okay.
too bad though. We have an adjustable bed, so that made it pretty easy.
Okay.
It just took a couple of nights to get used to that. But as far as the pain, it was, relatively non-existent.
Good.
I just took Tylenol if I needed it.
Okay.
It was pretty good.
Nice.
I didn't really see much like shock loss. I was expecting to. I was actually surprised that I didn't really see that. I mean, just the transplants themselves, some of them fell out, but like grew back. And then at that point, I stopped looking like Friar Tuck because I was like, now that that's growing, I was like, I'm just going to cut it all down to the same length and let it
come in together.
Stopped wearing hats, and that felt good. That was probably about 5 months in, I think, is when I did that. No, it was pretty good. Cool.
Excellent. And
definitely.
Then, go ahead.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. Keep going.
Definitely like the amount of coverage that I have from my initial, place. It's definitely, I get a lot more confidence now.
Awesome.
I can, if I'm bending down playing with my kid and my wife takes a picture, I don't have to say, well, hey, can we look at that? Hey, do I have to delete it? Like,
right.
You don't have to worry about that anymore.
You don't have to screen. You don't have to screen the pictures, right? Yeah.
Exactly.
Great. That's awesome. That's really great. Awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Well, do me a favor. I mean, since it's a little harder to see because there's a crown, I'm gonna have you just kind of bend down nice and low.
Sure.
And again, we'll put the before pictures on top, so overlay it.
Yeah.
Again, compared to the before, I mean, what an improvement, man. That looks awesome. I love it. Looks really, really good. So confidence level, obviously it's not something you can see every day, but just sort of knowing it's more full up there, like you said, you're not wearing hats as much and you just have a lot more confidence. That's awesome. Very cool. Very cool.
Definitely.
Any words of advice to anybody out there kind of on the fence thinking about it earlier in the sort of the research part? What would you recommend?
I say go for it. I mean, it's better than some other alternatives, to be honest with you. I mean, you can't see my scar line.
Good.
I've always had like a low fade anyways, not too high and tight anymore since I retired from the Navy. But even if they do go a little high, you barely can see it. Honestly, it just looks like somebody did a bad haircut. It looks like, right. It's longer than that. But I definitely say go for it. Like whenever I go in to get my haircut, I do mention that I've had it done so that they know not to go too high. And then a lot of them are asking like, oh wow, who'd you go to? I've got other clients that I cut hair that have been talking about it. And actually a couple weeks ago when I got my last haircut, she was like, "Oh, you're the guy that had the hair transplant. Do you have your doctor's information?" I said, "Yeah, absolutely."
That's cool. Well, very sweet.
Definitely for any. I mean, from start to finish, you guys really took care of my needs, my expectations too. Good. I mean, you didn't blow smoke telling me that I'm going to have crazy thick, insane hair when I already have this baby fine hair to begin with. And your staff, day of surgery, when I did had the sutures taken out, amazing. And then the follow-ups every 3 months, just keeping on track.
Awesome.
Definitely great system you guys have. So I really appreciate that.
Awesome, man. Thank you. Thanks for sharing that, man. And thanks for sharing this with everybody. Hopefully this helps somebody out there and paying it forward just like it helped you. So I appreciate it. And you look fantastic. I love the fact that you like it. Love the fact that your wife likes it. It's nice that you don't have to wear hats every day. So that's fantastic. That makes me happy.
Exactly.
Very cool, Dylan. Thank you so much, man.
Of course.
Right, take care.
Bye.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.